We're on a crafty project. All of these alliums, there's 4 large ones and a whole bunch of small ones that we cut down from our yard, and I saw this on YouTube. We're going to attempt to spray paint them, because then you can make bouquets with them, or actually they're hollow. I say you can put another stick in them and stick them back in the ground. Here's my colors. So, I think it's kind of pretty. Different. I'm wondering if we should paint it all the way down. Maybe so. Here goes a white one. I'm not so sure about the white. I think lesson learned. The white paint is the 96-cent can, and he had to spray and spray and spray, and it hardly covered it. Buy the better paint. It goes further and is actually worth more per coverage. Better paint covers much quickly, and you can use less of it. Hence, in the long run, it costs less. And we are going down the handle or the stem a little bit too on each of them. I like the purple one best. And just like that, we have a colorful bouquet to stick in something. I don't know, we're going to figure it out. Got more to do, the little ones. Some people I saw did silver and gold, and did them for Christmas, which was pretty cool. And of course, some people do them tricolor, or 2 colors, like the green, get green paint for the stems. But hey, we're not being too creative this time. Kind of fun. I'm still trying to find time to figure out what to do with these. Cut them off so they were all more the same level. They're in a pot for now. I don't think I like the blue with the other colors. Still trying to figure out where to put these balls. I don't think I like the blue ones. I think that's part of my problem. But we have this peony that's done blooming, and we just kind of leaned them all in there, and that seems to be one of the less gaudy areas. That might work. So I kind of like them okay in the box, and I only put a few ends so that they wouldn't be too gaudy. I tried some in the little wagon. I don't like it. Gonna have to take them out. Okay, I think I found an okay spot for them. I stuck them in here where they aren't as conspicuous. It's just subtle. So then we did this, kind of random, just shoved them up in the greenery so they're hanging down. It's kind of fun. So, on the table, we have our own little fireworks, purple and white, as a centerpiece, but we can take it and put it anywhere we want out in the yard. I decided to just cut it off. It's kind of cute. having fun playing with them.